Hello everybody, today we are talking about the ABC analysis. ABC analysis is the process of dividing SKUs into three classes according to their dollar usage, where managers can focus on the items with the highest dollar value. As you can see from the figure, we have class A, B, C. Class A consists of 20% of SKUs and it costs the organization 80% of the dollar usage, while class B consists of 30% of SKUs and 15% of dollar usage. Class C consists of 50% of SKUs and only 5% of dollar usage. Class A are reviewed frequently to reduce the average lot size and to ensure timely deliveries from suppliers. It's important to maintain high inventory turnover for these items because they are expensive. Class B SKUs require an intermediate level of control, so less frequent monitoring of suppliers coupled with adequate safety stock can provide cost-effective coverage of demand. Last, for Class C, much looser control is appropriate, while stock out of Class C can be as crucial as stock out of Class B or A. Inventory holding costs for Class C are very low, so this allows us to put more safety stock and larger lot sizes in order to control Class C. Now, let's take an example. Booker's bookbindery divides SKUs into three classes according to their dollar usage, determine which is most likely to be Class A. Here we have 7 SKUs, which is uncommon in any organization, but this is only for the sake of example. The data given is the quantity used per year and the unit value in dollar. First, we have to calculate the dollar usage by multiplying the unit used per year by the unit value. So, for example, for the boxes, quantity used per year 500, unit value is $3 per unit, so 1,500 is the annual dollar usage. Now we have to rank these SKUs according to their annual dollar usage in a descending order in order to plot the y-axis of the ABC chart. This table shows all the calculations. First, SKU number, description, quantity used, value, and now the dollar usage. As you can see, the dollar usage here is ranked. The highest dollar usage is for SKU number 7, the signature, and the lowest is for SKU number 2, the carbon. Now, we have to calculate the percentage dollar usage of the total by dividing the percentage by dividing the dollar usage by the total dollar usage. For example, for SKU 5, 1,000 over 81,000 will be 1.2%. This table shows the calculation. As you can see here, we have the SKU number, description, quantity used per year, value, and dollar usage. Here, dollar usage is ranked in a descending order. Then we calculate the percentage of total by dividing the dollar usage by the total amount, 81,310. After that, we calculate the cumulative dollar usage, which is, let's say, the first value is 83%. Then 83 plus 9.2 will become 92.2. Then plus 3.7, 96 or 95.9, and so on. As for cumulative SKUs, here we have 7 SKUs. So each one is 1 over 7, which is 14.3%. For the first SKU, 14.3. For the second, 2 over 7. For the third, 3 over 7, and so on. Now we have to put the cut for the ABC. The cut we put based on the cumulative dollar usage, where the first cut should be around, for Class A, should be around 80%. Here we have 83, so only one SKU is Class A. The second cut is about 95%. Here we have 95.9. So we have 2 items at class B and the rest for class C. Here the figure, as you can see, we have in our example, class A consists of only one SKU, 14.3% of SKUs consist of 83% of dollar usage, while class B is 28.6% of SKU consists of 12.9% of dollar usage. The ideal case is 15% of dollar usage for 30%. But every organization has different numbers. Okay? Finally, for class C, 57.1% of SKUs consist of 4.1% of dollar usage. The ABC analysis is used by managers in order to focus on the most dollar-consuming SKUs, so they can place the highest control over the A class. Thank you.